Hey everyone, welcome back. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can automate our emails on Shopify. Alright, so for this tutorial, we are going to need a specific app. So let me search for email marketing. So once we have finished typing our keyword, we will just have to scroll a bit, and then here is our app, MailChimp Email Marketing. We just click on install, and then we click on install app. Next, we will have to connect our Shopify account to our MailChimp. So to do that, we will need to either create an account or log in. The next thing we will have to do is to connect our Shopify account from the MailChimp account. So to do that, we will have to go to our MailChimp, and we will have to go under integrations and then select either discover or manage. Now let me type in here the Shopify, and then let me click on it, and then we can see that we have connected our Shopify to our MailChimp. Right now we are on the homepage of our MailChimp. Under here we have our different options for emails. So we have first our regular emails, but for this tutorial we will have to click on automation, and then we will be shown the selections of pre-built journeys that we can choose from. Let me click on recover abandoned carts, and now what we are shown here is our journey. So just click use this journey and then continue, and then we are provided with our journey that we can customize. To start from the top, let me click on select store. So first we have our store name and our cart. So if we have multiple Shopify stores, then we can just select from the drop down, and then we have our customer cards. We also have to select our wait time. So it can be hours or days or weeks before it can be declared as abandoned. Next, we will have to click on create an email. So what happens here is that when a cart is declared abandoned, then the automation will work. So we have to select our subject, the sender, schedule, and then we can select from a number of templates that are available. After clicking on select template, we will be shown this page here where we can change the formatting, or we can add an image. We can just really customize our template. But also it is worth noting that using templates are paid. It is a paid feature of MailChimp. So let me just click on save and return to journey here, and then we can see here upgrade to continue. So we can just save our template, but we will have to upgrade before we can send our automations. So here are the following plans. The standard plan is $10, while the premium plan is $175. If we want to use MailChimp for free, then we will have to create the automation from scratch. Exploring the templates like what we did earlier is a good idea though, because we can learn about the workflow of the automations. So we will be going back to our home screen by clicking on the back button. And then click on back again. And then we click on automations, overview, and then we click on start from scratch. And then we will have to select a name for our automation. So let me just copy what we have created earlier. So abandoned cart. Click on start building. And then we can choose our starting point. Let us just wait for it to load a bit. Just click on abandoned cart, and then we have to select our store name. And then for this tutorial, we will just be selecting any products. For the wait time, we will just leave it at 1 hour. Click save, and then we will have to add a journey point. So we just click on send email, and just like earlier, we will have to set our recipient and our email. And then we also have the option to add our email subject. We will also have to fill out our schedule and our tracking if we want to connect our Google account. One thing we can actually also do is to change the name of our email. So for example here, email contacts from your customer journey. Next, we can add a journey point here, and then we will have to wait for a trigger. We have here the different triggers. So tag added, birthdays, or buys a specific product. And now we just click on send an email for the trigger, and then we select the email campaign. So we just click on the drop down and then the abandoned cart series. After this, we can just add a journey point according to how we like. And once we are done, we just click on upgrade to continue, and then we select which plan is most suitable for our sending. So we have the essentials, which is limited to 5,000 monthly email sends, or the free one, which is limited to 1,000. So just choose which one depends on your needs. After you select your own plan, you can now use your automations and they will be ready for use. With that said, there are also other applications that we can use for doing automations. So to do that, let me go back to our Shopify page, and then from there we can just directly search for automations. And here we have different applications. So for example, we have Mesa or Shopify Flow, which has a good reputation. So with that, we have reached the end of our tutorial. We hope you have learned a lot, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.